If we determine decisively the nature of our present confused mind, we find that it is wisdom, and that wisdom is the Guru, just as we are never apart from our mind. So we are never apart from the Guru. Rather than purify our deluded experiences of body, speech, and mind through the tantric practices of the generation and perfection phase, it is much easier, more convenient, and swifter to recognize how the Guru's body and speech are inseparable from our own mind. How our mind's nature, which is without basis or origin, is the Guru's wisdom mind, and how this mind's natural manifestations are the maṇḍalas of the three vajras of enlightened body, speech, and mind. It is enough simply to know that your own mind is inseparable from the Guru, and have continuous yearning and vivid devotion.